Fungus gnats. Tiny pests with big impact. If you've ever dealt with these in your indoor grow, you know they can be super annoying. While adult fungus gnats don't damage plants or bite people, fungus gnat larvae can stunt plant growth and damage roots, particularly seedlings and young plants. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to stop them in their tracks with Mosquito Bits, a safe solution that's easy to use. Mosquito Bits are granules infused with Bacillus thuringiensis israeliensis, BTI for short. BTI is a naturally occurring bacteria that targets fungus gnat larvae in the soil, stopping their life cycle before they become adults. Here is how to use Mosquito Bits to get rid of fungus gnat larvae. Mix 4 tablespoons of Mosquito Bits per 1 gallon of water. Granules may also be placed in a nylon stocking prior to immersion in water. Soak for 30 minutes and skim off the floating granules. Compost or discard used granules. Stir or shake the water, then apply treated water directly to soil or growing media surface. This is where the fungus gnat larvae live. Be thorough to ensure all areas are treated. This means all of your houseplants. To make the most of this treatment, repeat weekly for 3 weeks until the gnats are gone. Use sticky traps to catch the adult gnats and monitor their population. Most importantly, avoid overwatering. Fungus gnats thrive in moist soil that contains organic matter. And that's it. With a little help from Mosquito Bits, you can say goodbye to fungus gnats and hello to a gnat-free grow space. If you found this video helpful, share it with your fellow growmies. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching the video and happy growing.